Drew Peterson sentenced to 40 years in prison after trying to hire hitman to kill lawyer that put him behind bars. Convicted wife killer Drew Peterson was sentenced to an additional 40 years in prison Friday for plotting to kill the lawyer who first put him behind bars in 2012. Peterson, a former Bolingbrook, Illinois, native, was found guilty in May of the murder-for-hire case in which he schemed with another inmate to put out a hit on attorney James Glasgow. This was not merely a threat to one prosecutor, Glasgow said in a statement Friday. It was an attack on our entire criminal justice system by a notorious murderer who always felt he could act outside and above the law. At his sentencing Friday, Peterson said the whole incident was a scam to get that inmate, Antonio Smith, a reduced prison term. Smith is currently serving 40 years for attempted murder, home invasion, and robbery. Smith said he befriended Peterson while they were in a Menard, Illinois, prison, and that the plan to murder Glasgow was Peterson's idea. The two planned to use Smith's uncle as the hitman. Smith pretended to go along with the plan but told the local state attorney's office, who then alerted the FBI. Working with the bureau, Smith wore a wire to record incriminating conversations with Peterson. Peterson, 62, allegedly said in the recordings he was worried Glasgow would charge him in the disappearance of his fourth wife, Stacy Peterson. Peterson had been serving a 38-year sentence in the 2004 death of his third wife Kathleen Savio, and the added time essentially guarantees he will die behind bars. Authorities originally ruled Savio's death an accident, but after Stacy Peterson mysteriously disappeared in 2007, Savio's death was reinvestigated and Peterson was convicted of murdering her. Stacy Peterson has yet to be found. Glasgow testified Peterson's long sentence is needed to dissuade other convicts from conspiring to murder lawyers. The minimum sentence for such a crime in Illinois is 15 years. Peterson served as a police officer for nearly 30 years before retiring in 2007. He was portrayed by actor Rob Lowe in a 2012 Lifetime TV movie about the events surrounding the death of Savio and disappearance of Stacy Peterson.